As a result, a major operation is now underway to ensure people are safe.
If you guys are following the news, you already know that New Zealand was hit by massive cyclone Gabrielle, which caused massive flooding and disruption in New Zealand during Feb 6 to 16 this year. And hence, the New Zealand government has introduced a recovery visa to speed up the entry of foreign workers who can help the country recover from recent weather-related disasters. The best news is that you can get this recovery visa in just 7 days and for zero fees, as the visa fees, which is New Zealand $700, will be refunded by the government. This visa is open for everyone who can go to New Zealand immediately and provide support in a variety of ways, including emergency response, cleanup, risk assessment, infrastructure and housing stabilization and repair, and direct recovery support, transport drivers like truck drivers, etc. Also, there's no IELTS requirement and even freshers can apply for this recovery visa provided you get a job offer from New Zealand employer. This visa will be given for 6 months and the probability is high that this period will be extended. Also, if you want to bring your family, your partner can apply for a partner of a worker visitor visa. So, if you want to know more details about this recovery visa and what steps to follow, keep watching the video till the end. Hello guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. Without wasting any time, let's begin with today's topic, which is step-by-step guide to apply New Zealand's recovery visa. So, step 1 is you need to apply for a job from all the famous job sites like Seek, TradeMate, Indeed, Jora, New Zealand Jobs, and many more. Remember, getting a job offer is a must, else you cannot apply for this visa. Step 2. Once you get a job offer from any employer, ask your company to give you an employer supplementary form, INZ 1377, which is a mandatory document needed to apply for this visa. Remember, you cannot apply for this visa if you don't have this document. So, step 1 and 2 is important and you cannot proceed if you don't have these two documents. Step 3. Prepare other documents like your degree to show that you have the right skill to do the job listed under recovery visa categories. Step 4. You need to meet health and character requirements that you are physically fit, which you can get from your doctor. Step 5. Collect evidence of funds to support yourselves during your stay in New Zealand. Now, once you are ready with step 1 to step 5, then only proceed to step 6, which is how to apply recovery visa. So for this, you need to apply online and you also need to create account online on the New Zealand immigration website and follow 6 simple steps. So step 1 under this is visit the website immigration.government.newzealand for specific purpose work visa and click on apply online. Under work visa, select specific purpose or event as the type of visa applying for. Now step 2, select other as the type of specific purpose or event you are coming to New Zealand or coming to New Zealand for, and write recovery visa in the box that appears. Step 3, select 6 months or less as the length of stay in New Zealand. Step 4, upload the employer supplementary form, which is INZ 1377, as the evidence required for your special purpose or event work visa in the upload document section. As you can see, this is a simple 2-page form which needs to be filled as part of the document section. Now, step 5, submit other documents like your health and character requirements, funds, evidence like bank statements or fixed deposit, your passport copy, etc. And step 6 is complete the application form and submit the form. So, that's all for today's video. Before I conclude this video, applications for recovery visa are fast-tracked and the aim is to process an application within 7 days. So start searching for jobs now so that you can secure your job offer from New Zealand employer. However, if you want to settle permanently in New Zealand, make sure to go and watch my previous video. Thanks for watching my video till the end and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.